There is a term that you've likely heard before: when someone or something is dead weight. That phrase seems a bit morbid, but it stems from the experience of this very phenomenon. When someone is dead or unconscious, the person does appear to weigh more, but in reality, this apparent weight change has very little to do with the presence of life or consciousness, and much more to do with the placement of weight. When a conscious person wraps their arms around a carrier's neck, some of their weight is managed by the muscles of the neck and shoulders, thus relieving some of the strain from the arms and back. Dead weight doesn't have any consideration like that, and just flip-flops around like a sack of potatoes, weighing us down. Even if someone being carried doesn't wrap their arms around the person's neck to hold on, they will still unconsciously tighten their core and other muscle groups to make the trip as comfortable and manageable as possible.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you a quick way to get a guy in a fireman's carry. How many here have ever executed a fireman successfully on an unconscious casualty by yourself? By yourself. By yourself. Come on out. Ready?
What do you weigh, Will?
180.
180, that's it? Come on, man. You're doing a good job. You're doing great, man. Come on. Get up. Oh.
Yeah.
He really gets into it. Stop.
Everybody get it?
The point?
Yeah. What's the point?
80 minutes. It's hard.
Real dead weights.
All right. Ain't nobody here going to the gym and grabbing 180 pounds of pudding with sticks in it and snatching it off the ground and putting it on the back. Because that's what you have when you have an unconscious casualty. 180 pounds, or whatever he weighs, of pudding with sticks in it, wrapped in hard-ass plastic gear, okay? So getting a casualty up isn't that easy, especially when they're unconscious, uncooperative, not working with you.